Oh, hey there. Today, I'm going to work on something I've never done because I've been afraid to. A 4-color job. Yep, so tune in.
So special.
Now, all 4 screens are washed out. This is one color. Just still wet because this one I just freshly washed. This is my next color. This is my 3rd color. And this is my underbase. So these are the 4 colors that I'm gonna use for my print. White for the underbase, light blue, light royal blue, and orange. This is the part that scares me. I have yet to ever do a 4-color print job, so I'm about to try to set it up. My heads have micro registration. You can't see them in the camera. You see them later. I can micro register to where my screens need to be. My palette's still a little sticky from my last job, so I'm gonna clean this off and put my film positive down so that we can line this up.
AJ on the track.
I got my test palette, my test Pellin. Just put that down. I'm gonna go ahead and ink up. First color, light blue. Problem child screen. All right, we got a problem here. The orange needs to be moved over a little this way. Other than that, not bad for a first try. All right, so since we got that done, let's test it on some shirts, shall we? All right, loaded some shirts. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, we cured good. Yep, we cured. No breaking my inks. That's gonna conclude. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Oh, if you have any tips that could have made this better, anybody that screen prints, let me know down there. I'm out.